Now who born this fine girl? Yeah, yeah. Now who born this fine girl? Yeah, yeah. Okoko Bioko. Woo.
Come make I rock your body. I know say you like the money.
Aye.
Come make I rock your body.
Aye.
I know say you like the money.
See. Oh yeah, baby, come closer. Make I rock your body. Oh yeah, yeah. See, I go give.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Janiki. Today I'm coming with this twist. Yes, I'm coming with this twist. Like, it's this close to my boop boop boop, and I love it. I very love it. I will leave the color here. It's ombre slash 30. I don't know, but I will leave the color here. And this here, of course, is from, it's from Leeven here in AliExpress. I will leave everything down below. Don't forget, Leeven here in AliExpress. Okay, my beauties? You see? Oh my goodness, see it. 1 hour. It took me like 1 hour and 15 minutes. It took me to do it. A part of the makeup because that is other things. So 1 hour and 15 minutes because I'm filming. If you're not filming, if you not record video, it's going to take you like 45 minutes and something, and I really love it. You will see everything in the video. Let me put some butter like this. Yes, you will see everything in the video. Wait. Oh. You will see everything in the video. So yeah, that is all. If you want now, you can skip to the tutorial because now I want to say something to my subscriber. If you are my subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me all this time, and I want to tell you that I will start doing makeup tutorials. Okay, I know that you will say, bitch, you don't even know what you say, and you will tell me that, bitch, makeup tutorial, you don't even know your foundation shade. I know that I don't know all this makeup work. I don't know nothing, but that is why I want to do makeup tutorial, because I will come with you so you can watch me grow up in this world of makeup. That is why I want to do makeup. I see my friends doing the her face, and I say, oh, Jenny, you have to do this, because let me tell you that I love it. Okay, see this. I know to record this video because I need some things to buy so I can start recording videos, because the mirror is there and I can look there. I don't know if this makes sense, but the mirror is there, okay, and here is my background. Because if I turn the ring light here, you will see other thing that I don't want you to see. Okay, so when I will do all that, I will start doing makeup tutorial. And if you want I will create this makeup tutorial, like you wanna a female, let me know in the comment section. I will do it. Okay, if you want I do it, I will do it, because I know record it. But if you want, let me know in the comment section and I will do it. So yeah, please support me in this new, because girl, move out to your comfort zone, because if you stay there in your comfort zone, you will die. So that is all I want to tell you. That thank you so much for staying there. And if you are a new subscriber, if you are new, part of my family if you are a new kid. So stay tuned because Jenny Kid is coming with more hair tutorials, makeup tutorials. I know that I don't know, but I will try. Practice make pro. So that is all. Okay, I'm in love with this hair. Like, practice make pro. So dear girls, I hope this video is helpful for you. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, comment down below and tell me your honest opinion about this hair, about my makeup, and about the tool that I want to start doing makeup tutorial. Tell me everything down below, and don't forget to click the bell so you will notified when I upload a video. Okay, see my contacts. This contacts is the weekly edition. This is a sugar brown from the weekly edition. I will leave the review down below, and you have 5 contacts for only $20. But you got Jenny Kid, I got you. With my discount code here is Kitten, you will have 10% off. That is going to be $18 for 5 pack of contact lenses. It's cute. So that is all. Bye.
love, make a love. There's no other one above.
Damn, fresh and
Shawty want $1 million. Say make a wire. Tell me to wanna
Legendary beats.
If I tell you do like this,